Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and today I'm with Italian dialogue at the airport. The conversation between immigration officer and the passenger. Italian practice lesson number 4. When you all want to learn something, you all need to practice it every day in your daily routine. So, you all need to practice this language also in your daily routine every day. When I finished a sentence of the dialogue, you all need to pause the video and practice that sentence for your better Italian, okay? If you want. It's not an order if you want. Okay, let's begin our first dialogue. Our first sentence is Immigration officer is questioning, Buongiorno, posso vedere il suo passaporto? Per favore? There is the translation. Buongiorno, good morning. May I posso vedere sì il suo your passaporto passport. Per favore, please. You all need to notice these words. Buongiorno, per favore, vedere. What does vedere means? May I see? Posso vedere? May I see il suo passaporto? Your passport. Per favore, please. Good morning. May I see your passport, please? Immigration officer is questioning this to the passenger. Next one is passenger is replying, Certamente, eccolo. Certamente, eccolo. Now pause the video and practice it for 3 to 4 times. Certamente, of course. Certamente, of course. Eccolo, here it is. Eccolo, here it is. There are some common dialogues you all need to know if you are traveling to Italy. It can help you to talk with the native speaker to help you. Okay, let's move on to our next dialogue. Please practice these lessons with me. Next one is immigration officer is questioning quanto tempo prevede di rimanere in Italia. Quanto tempo prevede di rimanere in Italia? How long do you plan to stay in Italy? Quanto tempo? How long? Prevede di rimanere. You want to stay in Italia, in Italy. Quanto tempo? How long? Prevede di rimanere in Italia. Must pronounce these words with me. Quanto tempo prevede di rimanere in Italia? If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then must subscribe and like and share this video with your friends who are planning to trip to Italy. Passenger is replying, Rimaro per 2 settimane. Rimaro. There is rimaro meaning in English is I will stay per for 2 settimane weeks. Rimaro per 2 settimane. I will stay for 2 weeks. Per 2 for. Per is basically used for 4. 2 it's a number. Settimane weeks. Settimane weeks. Rimaro I will stay. I will stay per 2 settimane. There's lots of words to remember. This is the easiest way to learn or speak Italian faster. So please must subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Next one is immigration officer is again questioning Ha prenotato un volo di ritorno Do you have? A. Do you have prenotato un volo di ritorno? Do you have a return flight booked? Do you have a return flight booked? Ha prenotato un volo di ritorno. Please pronounce these sentences or repeat these sentences after me, okay? Ha prenotato un volo di ritorno. Do you have a return flight booked? The immigration officer is questioning to the passenger. If you want to practice this sentence more, then please pause the video and practice it 3 to 4 times. Next one is passenger is replying. Sì, ho già prenotato un volo di ritorno per il 10 marzo. Sì, yes, I have. Ho già prenotato already un volo di ritorno. Booked a return flight for il 10 marzo. 10 marzo, 10th of March. Okay? Yes, I have already booked a return flight for March 10th. Passenger is answering to the question of immigration officer. Sì, ho già prenotato un volo di ritorno per il 10 marzo. 10 marzo. It's a new word here. Number is here and the new word is here. 10 marzo. Sì, ho già. I have. Let's move on to our next dialogue. Immigration officer. Prefetto, grazie. Benvenuto in Italia. This is the easiest sentence you can remember today, okay? Just remember this sentence, it's enough for you for today. Perfetto, perfect. There are 4 words you can remember today. Perfetto, perfect. Grazie, thank you. Welcome to Italy. Benvenuto in Italia. If you remember, in the start of my video, I also say benvenuti. It's mean welcome. Benvenuti, welcome. Benvenuto in Italia. Welcome to Italy. Perfetto. Grazie. Benvenuto in Italia. Also, focus on the spellings or pronunciation of Italian words. Now, let's move on to our next dialogue. If you want to repeat this sentence, you can pause this video and repeat it. Passenger is replying, grazie mille. Grazie mille. If passengers know a little bit of Italian, then he can reply, grazie mille. Thank you very much. Grazie mille. Thank you very much. This is a very useful phrase if you want to thank to any person or you want to be kind to any person. You can say grazie mille. Grazie mille. Thank you very much. Again, I'm saying you need to pronounce Italian words nicely. Then you can speak like a native speaker. Okay everyone, if you like my all the videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I will post more helpful videos like this for you all, okay? Now thank you for watching this video. If you want to practice more, I will post lesson number 4 tomorrow. Now please subscribe to my channel. Ciao, a presto!